Hi Gems. So we are still in week 4. Today is actually Vlogmas. We're still in week 4. You want to say it because I can't.
Wait.
Week 4.
Week 4 of Vlogmas.
There you go. So we're still in week 4. Today is actually Christmas Eve, so it's December 24th, and we're gonna bake cookies. I usually, our tradition is to bake cookies from scratch sometime before Christmas, but we've been doing different things. I haven't been in the mood, and I'm like, you know what? I have to get my cookies made. So Kyron is gonna help me today. They're gonna be parts of this video that are a little bit sped up, so you can just see the process. I won't talk about everything, but we wanted to introduce you guys all the ingredients that we're doing and what we're making. So you want to tell them what we're making first?
We're making Hershey's Kisses cookies. Hershey Kiss cookies.
So they're the Hershey Kisses blossoms, the peanut butter blossoms.
But,
see, Kisses peanut butter blossoms. That's what they're called.
okay, but they're still when we put into cookies and we're an oven.
Oh yeah, of course. So those are called the peanut butter blossoms. We love those. And then I'll talk about this one. I wanted to make brownies, but I just made brownies recently, so I changed my mind and I decided to make a cookie bar. I always make an M&M's cookie bar, but this year I found these fudge brownie ones, so we're gonna make a fudge brownie M&M's cookie bar. And then, yes sir. Open it up. You gotta talk about it.
What? Oh.
We're gonna make, there are other peanut butter cookies, but they get the peanut butter mini cups in it. So those are my favorite. I feel like I like those better than the peanut butter blossoms. Which ones do you like better? These are the Hershey Kiss ones.
Hershey Kisses.
See, I love these. I love me some peanut butter, so I'm looking forward to those. And then we're also making, I haven't exactly decided yet because there's a recipe on the back of these Reese's peanut butter cups. It is the peanut butter chocolate cookies. I think I've made these once before, but I found white classic chocolate chips. So I think what I'll do is, for this batter, I won't put in the full peanut butter ones, and I'll add some of the white chocolate chips because these are good. I wanted to make white macadamia nuts, but I don't have any macadamia nuts. I forgot to buy them, so we're just gonna improvise and do something different. So let's go over our ingredients. We have a lot going on here. You wanna start? No? Okay. First, we need a bowl and our whisk. And we have some eggs. We have imitation vanilla.
Milk. And a heads up, we only got 1 minute left.
That's all right. We got some different margarine. We have peanut butters. We have our cooking spray to spray our pans. Some sugar. Some
flour.
Some
cinnamon.
No. It's light brown sugar.
I couldn't tell. I didn't know.
We got a lot of light brown sugar. We have
the sugar.
We might make chocolate chip cookies. I don't know yet. It depends on how burnt out we are by the end of all of this. So we have a lot of light brown sugar.
I bet we will be burnt out.
Yeah, we will. Some more flour. We have baking soda, baking powder,
Hershey's cocoa.
Cocoa. Yep, the powdered cocoa. This is lard. I don't know if I'm going to use this, but I pulled it out just in case. I don't know if I'm going to be in the mood to mess around with that. And then we have a bunch of our measuring cups. So I think we got everything out and ready.
3, 2,
so we'll see if we need anything else. I'll talk about that later on. But let's get started. Our timer is up, so we're going to eat some dinner real quick. I popped some mozzarella cheese sticks in the oven, a flatbread pizza. We're going to eat. Baking powder is the one back there. So that is calling for
this.
Yeah, so you see right here it says half teaspoon. So TSP is this one. So we're gonna fill it up halfway. Open it wide. So you see how it's a whole spoon?
Who keeps track of every girl and boy?
Or microwave once melted. it slowly.
Let's try to put it back in that the big barrel again.
Here he'll go, barreling through the snow. Who makes every Christmas gift it's Santa? Who comes down the chimney late at night? Who gives every...
So we're gonna mix that. Once melted, mix with brown sugar, mix together egg, vanilla, and brown sugar mixture. Egg. 1 egg. Beaten.
1 beaten egg coming right up. Can I beat up the? Can I beat it up?
You want to beat up the egg? Here, you do the egg.
The whole world knows it well, as Saint Nick or Père Noël. And once a year he'll go, barreling.
Joey.
But let's just hope you don't drop the disc on your stand.
Thick.
If you want to know why I said that, then go watch. Was it a brownie video?
Yes.
Then go watch the brownie video so you know why I said that.
Because that was a big mistake. All right, so now you want to go ahead and pour just a little bit in there. Now, oh, wait, how much are we going to use? Oh, we're using the whole bag. Okay.
Oh.
But we're not going to put them, no, don't put the whole, take the bag. Pour just a little bit in and I'm going to like, go ahead.
1, 20. This is like 1, 20.
Go ahead, pour some more.
Just plop multiple in out.
All right, so we actually need to use an 8x8. I didn't think of the size. Now that I see the batter, I realize that big pan isn't gonna cut it. So we'll use that for something else.
The brownies.
Honestly, I don't know, but so we're gonna go ahead and pour this in there now.
Wait, we didn't
Well,
even
here,
do the whole
here.
bag.
I know, but we're gonna
Just pour the rest in?
No, sorry. Yeah.
Well,
Leave
now
it.
we got 1 Ryan.
How much is the? No, we'll pour some on top
Can I eat one?
later.
It just it was like instead of
It's a
dough.
really thick, like dough
It's
consistency.
so thick dough.
And it just fell in. So now I gotta press it down to get it flat.
Maybe we could hear the noise. It was 2 M&Ms first and then everything else.
Now, slowly put some on top. Like spread it, not all in one spot. Open the oven. I'm gonna pop this baby in there.
Pop it. I can put it up, Mom.
Set the timer for 20 minutes. And we moving on to the next one.
So next we will be doing this one.
I need these instructions,
Me.
the recipe.
Okay, they're right there.
While I make the batter, all right, come over here. So while I start making the batter for the blossoms, Kyron's gonna go over to the table and he's going to unwrap all of the Hershey Kisses and put them in this jar for now. It never fails.
What never fails?
You making a mess of something?
Yo, really?
Yo, for real.
Goal.
Like go?
Mm-hmm.
How many the likes I want?
Mm-hmm.
I haven't. I'll let you set it.
Oh, 500 likes in 1 hour.
Oh, I don't know if that's realistic on my channel yet.
Oh. So let's get 1 like on this video in the first hour.
There you go. Kyron said, help us get to a like on this video within the first hour posted. So, help us get to that. And what else should they do?
Subscribe and turn on that notification bell.
Okay, you heard him.
And speaking of that,
They're done. Look. The kisses are ready for their cookies. What are they called? Oh my gosh, the peanut butter blossoms. Kyron just rolled them all up for me. So we have this tray and another tray. They're about to go in the oven at 375 for about 20 minutes, I think it is. So we'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. We had to cut it off and get some things going because we're taking it long, but it says, 8 to 10 minutes. So let's go ahead and pop those in the oven. Pressing them in. No, press it in. So you just take one of these Hershey Kisses and you push it right in.
I thought it was gonna be hard.
So while Kai is unwrapping the mini peanut butter cups, I'm going to start forming those into balls. Forgot that these are the ones that we put in the little mini cupcake cups. So I have a bunch of these. I buy them. I have a bunch from last year. Apparently I bought them and didn't use them all. Then this year I bought some, so I have a whole lot of them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spread them across this pan. The recipe says that it calls for about 40 cookies, so let's see how many I can get. These are tiny, so it's gonna take me a while to separate them. Fell over. I'm not gonna put them all in because since they're melting, I just
put some in.
Yeah, because they're like melting. I don't want them. If we stack them, they're gonna melt on top of each other. So I'm just gonna put one layer for now. It is 9:30.
Please send help.
I'm already tired. We're starting our last batch. We are not gonna do the Reese's today because I noticed we have a lot of peanut butter cookies. So we're just gonna make chocolate chip cookies. Don't get that off your head. So we're just gonna do chocolate chip cookies. This is the last batter. We have a mess. I'm tired. I wanna rest.
I want to play games.
And you're not going to? So we're gonna get this done and fast because I'm tired.
From house to house you go, putting on his show.
Our baking mission for tonight is done. We're tired. Can you tell? I don't even know if I want to show off those chocolate chip cookies because they're a bit of a fail. Should we show them off? It's not really showing off. It's just showing you a fail.
It's up to you.
So look at what our cookies look like. They taste good. They just, you know, aren't the prettiest. They, you know, they don't look that pretty. But it's okay because I'm over it. I'm tired. We're going to call it a night very soon. We're cleaning up. Going to take out some trash. Kyrie's going to play a little bit. And then it's bedtime because Santa is coming to town.
Please send help.
Bye.